In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an item in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to reorganize your files or simply tidy up your Google Drive, this video is just what you need. And don't worry, we're going to walk through this step by step to make sure you feel confident by the end. Whether it's for personal use or professional organization, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to manage your files. Let's dive in and get those files where they need to be. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive. Open up your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account to access your Drive. After reaching Google Drive, find the folder where the item you wish to move is currently located. This part is crucial because you'll only be able to move files and folders that you have access to or have created. Next, you'll need to select the file you want to move. You can easily do this by finding the file in question and right-clicking on it. If you're using a trackpad on a laptop, you might need to tap with two fingers to perform the right-click action. Right-clicking brings up a context menu with various options for what you can do with your file, such as sharing, renaming, or deleting it, but for today we're focused on moving the file. Once that menu appears, look for the Organize menu option, hover your mouse over Organize, and you should see another set of options pop up. This menu is great for managing the placement of your files without too much hassle. The key thing here is not to rush. Make sure you're hovering carefully to allow the secondary menu to show up properly. Now from this list, you'll go ahead and click on Move. It's usually signified by an icon resembling a folder with an arrow. By clicking Move, a new window will appear, presenting you with a view of your entire Drive structure. This is where you'll decide exactly where in Google Drive you want your file to reside. After the new window appears, you'll notice My Drive on the left-hand sidebar. Click on My Drive to access your entire directory of folders and documents. This view is intended to help you pinpoint the exact destination for your item. Take a moment to navigate through and decide on the perfect new home for your file. Once you're satisfied with your choice, simply click Move again. Clicking this button finalizes the location of your file, so make sure you're confident in the folder you've chosen. This action will immediately relocate your file to its new designated spot within Google Drive. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your file has been moved to where it needs to be. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this step-by-step guide has made moving files around in Google Drive less daunting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on how to manage your digital workspaces efficiently. See you in the next video.